Welcome again to Satri's Online Mathematics. It's been a long time. I posted a video on my page due to my academic program in the University of Nigeria. So if you are watching me on YouTube, of course, you are welcome again to Satri's Online Mathematics. I brought to you a very simple subject, which is conditional probability and statistics. So this is the topic being treated or disclosed in statistics, and of course you know that statistics is a branch of mathematics, or one of the branches of mathematics. So what is conditional probability, by the way? Now, conditional probability, let me write it down. Conditional probability is the probability of an event, let's say event A happening or occurring, given that another event, in brackets, let's say B, has already occurred. So that's what conditional probability is. It's the probability of an event A happening or occurring, given that another event B has already occurred. Now, what does that mean? It simply means that the probability of A occurring depends on the probability of B occurring. So, for us to get the probability of A, then B has to occur first. So, given that B has already occurred, then the probability of A might be affected. So, the probability of A occurring owes the fact that another event, which is B, has already occurred, is known as conditional probability. So conditional probability is the probability or chances of an event A happening or occurring, given that another event B has already occurred or happened. Now it is written mathematically as P A/B. So what does that imply? It implies that the probability of A occurring, given that B has already occurred, which is equal to P bracket A intersection B all over P bracket B, meaning that it is given as probability of A occurring, given that B has already occurred, is equal to the probability of the intersection of A and B all over the probability of B. Now let's have a question here for you to understand, for us to get this clearly. Now, if two coins are tossed at the same time, let event A be equal to both coins showing heads. Let event B be the first coin shows head. Then the question is to find probability of A happening or occurring, given that B has already occurred or happened. Alright, so we have two coins here. Now the two coins are tossed simultaneously, that means at the same time. And you know that of course a coin has two outcomes. A coin has two outcomes. And the two outcomes are head head and tail. Then for two coins have four outcomes. Four outcomes, which are head, tail, head, tail, four outcomes. So since that two coins are tossed at the same time, then our sample space is this: head, tail. Alright? So let's answer the question solution. Now let's get back to the question. So let event A with both coins showing heads. Alright? Now, event A, both coins showing head. Both coins showing head. And if you look at that sample space we have here, you see that we only have one of the outcomes which shows head. So those coins showing head is head. Just one of four outcomes. So it's just 1/4 because we have four possible outcomes. So both coins showing head only happens to appear once here, head, that's 1/4. So that's event A. Then event B. Event B is the first coin shows head. Now let's find out where head comes first. Then head comes first. Here we have head followed by head. Alright, so this one is counted. Then the second one is head followed by tail, is also counted. So we only have two possible outcomes where head comes first from the total possible outcomes. We have two outcomes where head comes first from the four possible outcomes, from the total possible outcomes. We have head coming first, and we have head also coming first. So that is 2/4, which is equal to 1/2. Okay, now let's get the probability of A intersection B. Now, intersection of two sets or more than two sets is a set that comprises of the common elements in the given sets. So we have set A and set B. Set A, we only have one element, which is head. Just one. So this is taken as one element. And then we have two elements here, head and head tail. So what is common there? That is head. So that's what is common. Head, which is equal to 1/4, right? Yeah, 1/4. Then let's solve the problem now. What's the probability of A happening or occurring, given that A has already occurred? So we now apply the formula. Probability of A occurring, given that B has already occurred, is equal to probability of A intersection B all over probability of B, which is equal to, now probability of A intersection B is 1/4. 1/4 over probability of only B occurring is 1/2. So let's divide. We have 1/4 divided by 1/2. So 1 divided 1 is 1, 2 divided 4 is 2. So that is the answer. Therefore, probability of A occurring, given that B has already occurred, is equal to 1/2. So if you enjoyed the lesson, do well to click the like button, comment, and share. God bless you.